What is good, boys? We got a new week on our hands. My God, I hope this is going to be a good week. Last week, barely traded and took a loss. Just very boring. Very nothing nothing important really happened, right? And that's a reality of trading that a lot of people really need to understand is that it's boring. It's not going to be the super crazy adrenaline thing. It should be robotic. Also, some brief things while the video just started. You guys won't see this, but the giveaway is still happening. I am doing a 100K account giveaway, and I just got off a call with an Alpha Futures guy, and he's giving me two 50K accounts to give away too. So now it's going to be 5 accounts I'm giving away, so I have to talk about that. But today's trading day, I had a break-even day, and here's exactly what I did. So going to the day, we were obviously bullish. We took out all-time highs, but I was still, bullish, right? You don't want to short just because we swept out all-time highs. We could continue to trade higher. I wanted to see a little bit of a retracement to go higher. And that's pretty much what we did off the open. We started selling off the open. We took out this pre-market sell-side liquidity point, and I was just waiting to see if we would reverse off it or if we were going to continue to go lower towards London low. Don't worry about that. We end up starting reversing here. We invalidate this bearish gap, get a big displacement leg up. I run a fib from bottom to top, right? It comes down into equilibrium. I see we spike through. I'm like, okay, we're gonna just keep dumping, but we get a nice respect on equilibrium kind of, and then we get a nice little rejection out of it. So I went long. I didn't really care about this bearish gap because again, if we're bullish, we're gonna disrespect bearish gap. So I didn't really care about it. I went long around it started getting a green candle out of it from here, and I got my fill around where it shows, not exactly. And obviously take profit at this internal high. I would have extended it to here, but I mean, I would have just, when we got to it, I would have decided. But we end up going break even right at this high right here, and then literally the next candle stops me out break even. So it was kind of annoying, kind of brutal, but what can you do? It's a no news Monday. The government is still shut down as of right now, so I don't really know what that entails. I don't know if that's why the market is choppy today, but whatever. I don't know. If we're at all-time highs, I feel like it can't be that bad of a thing. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for me. Just main things I'm trying to do right now is just pump that alpha giveaway, pump the code, because of current right now we're doing 25% off, but you can't, it's not valid anymore as time of this video. And I'm really just trying to make sure I'm trading well, right? I want to get a payout this month. We're already pretty much a week into this month, and I really want to make sure that I'm staying disciplined, and not doing anything stupid and something that I would be doing if I was being unprofitable. So that being said, that's pretty much it for me. Again, no trades today. Or not no trades today. Break even trade today. I'm sorry. No break even trade today. And that's pretty much it. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we get some better price action. Hopefully I get a win. And yeah, peace. All right, boys. It's Tuesday. We just finished up trading, and another break-even day. Very frustrating. Because again, it looked very promising. And today was literally the copy and paste of yesterday. We took out all-time highs pre-market, and then I tried to take a long to all-time highs and got stopped break-even because the market was so choppy. So here was the trade. Obviously, you can already look how choppy it is. It looks obviously terrible. But it looked good, the setup. So we came down immediately off open, trading into equilibrium on this dealing range. Respected this fair value gap very nicely, and then started getting legs up. And that was right here. We have a nice market structure shift here. Then we trade back down into this fair value gap in a discount, and I waited for a rejection out of it and went long at the rejection, targeting all-time highs. We were trading inside a bearish 5-minute gap, so that's kind of why I think it was break even or even more choppy, because we wanted all-time highs, but we're trading in a bearish gap, so it makes very, not good conditions. So that's the trade. Break even, again, very slow. Last month was very slow the first 2 weeks. This month has been very slow the first 2 weeks, but the end of the month was still fine. So again, I'm hoping if I just keep trading well, right, I will be able to get a payout on my 3 alphas and my 5 top steps, which is gonna be crazy. But just got to keep doing it slow, right? Making sure I'm not risking more, risking less based on trades, and making sure I'm not just going on a tilt or anything. You got to make sure you stay level-headed. Don't let the market being choppy. Don't let days you don't take trades or days you have break-even trades get to you, because it's going to make you go into the next trading day wanting to, do bad things and revenge trade it back, and you cannot do that. So no trades for me today. Again, I have a lot of homework I have to get done. School sucks. I'm trying to stay really active with my Discord because obviously that's the main priority, right? I want to prioritize my Discord server. And I also have to make a lot of content because I'm still trying to keep growing every day. That's one of my goals, to keep growing every day. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Main takeaway from a day like today is to just really, really weigh the options of the price. And I honestly probably shouldn't have traded today because of how choppy it was and because of this big 5-minute gap that we are now dumping from, right? I guess it's not wanting to deliver that all-time high. It's, it's dumping right now. So maybe on days like today, I'm obviously still learning as people's mentor, right? Obviously I have a free mentorship that I do with my Discord. All you have to do is just join my Discord. You're a part of the mentorship. I still make mistakes, right? And I still have a lot to learn with the market. I've only been trading for 2 years. It's not that long. I have a pretty good market experience, but, there's still times where I learn from my mistakes. I make mistakes, my losses, I have to learn from my mistakes, everything like that. So obviously, I try to be as transparent as possible because no trader is perfect. No trader you see that's in Miami is perfect. They still have losses, even though a lot of them do show their losses, I will say. But some don't. And I show my losses. I show days I have bad days, and I have bad days. Everyone has bad days where they tilt, and how to manage that tilt is really going to help. And it feels very good that I haven't really been tilting. Obviously, early September I had a bad moment, but I really learned from it. Change those mistakes. I'm trading well again, and it's just I gotta get these wins, and that's it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Peace. Yo, what's good, boys? It's Thursday. Yesterday I forgot to record on Wednesday, but it was a break-even trade on Wednesday, so that's 3 break-even trades in 3 days. And today's Thursday, no trades for me today. But yeah, very slow week yet again. I don't know, all of October's just been super slow. The government shutdown, I think, is really messing with the market just because, look how consolidational and choppy price has been. And this is around the time, 8:30 was when unemployment claims should have went out, and it was just super choppy, super terrible. No trades for me today. I was going to go long at this fair value gap here and this inversion, but this candle, 2 seconds before it was about to close, it literally, teleported from here to all the way here in, 1 second. And I was just going to wait for rejection out of it because a big jump from here all the way to here was just kind of scary. So I was just going to wait for rejection out of it, and we never got it. So I was just waiting, and it just trickled off, never given any entry. So no trades for me today. And, after having break even for 3 days, it's not like, a lot of people would be kind of feeling down, being like, oh, what am I doing wrong? I'm just trying to sniff a win. I can't get a win. But I have to understand, when the market conditions are overall bad, you have to just sit out or, take what you can get. And, I got break-even trades, which, I could have very well lost those trades. So you have to think of it on, the plus side. I traded, it was a break-even trade, so it wasn't a terrible trade, and I was able to get break-even instead of losing. So you got to, think about on the bright side. But, just overall, just slow days. And, I just have to make sure I'm managing risk very well, not getting not losing enough money to the point where I can't trade. And then on the days that are going to be good, you have to capitalize on it. And that's what I'm making sure, because there's going to come a day where price action is going to be really good, and I need to be able to capitalize on that and get a win and, progress my accounts because, it's almost the end of second week and I, have 0 winning days. So I'm just taking it super slow, very patient, and yeah. So that's pretty much it. Again, a lot of stuff to do. What I've been starting to do is live trading, not giving signals, but like TJR does. I record myself trading. I analyze the markets live, but no streaming. And then I post a video on YouTube of my trade, similar to how TJR does it. I've been doing that, and everyone in my free Discord's been loving it. And yeah, so that's pretty much that. That's the only kind of new thing I've been doing. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on Friday. Oh my God, guys. Friday, by the way, just banked $2,100 per account. Here was the trade. Going into the day, I was bullish. I wanted these relative equal highs to be taken and then all-time highs. But right off the open, we just ripped, taking out all-time high, or taking out this high and then edging all-time highs. And then I noticed on the 5-minute, we inversed this fair value gap. We got a nice market structure shift to the downside, invalidated this IFVG, traded back up into a premium, into this BPR, respected it beautifully. News came out a little bit bullish, and then we got a bearish confluence out of it, and then the next candle was bullish, and then we had a really nice rejection, so I went short right on that rejection and stopped above the high. Went break even at this internal low, take profit at this like London low. It was like right after London, but like it was pretty much London low. And then it was chopping around, and then Trump announced that he was gonna threaten to raise the tariffs, and the market dumped like 500 points in like 5 minutes. It was insane. Instantly hit take profit. Literally insane. So that's one winning day. And yeah, that's by far a very insane trade. I was in this trade for like 45 minutes. I was literally playing Minecraft. If you guys are in my Discord, look at the YouTube video links, because I posted the live trading recap, like me live trading. I was literally playing Minecraft when this hit take profit. I was like, oh my god, it was literally insane. Craziest thing ever. I'm very sick right now. My throat is very sore. So it kind of like hurts to talk. So it's probably just gonna be a short clip, but decent end to the week. I'm up big. Right, I had 3 break-even trades this week, 1 no trade, and then 1 win. So definitely up on the week, 2,100. And that's pretty much it. Just again, I think with this Trump announcement, maybe there's going to be a lot more volatility. So there's probably going to be a lot more opportunity. So I'm very hoping to get this payout by the end of the 3rd week, by the 25th. That's my goal. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Pretty good end to the week, good end to the episode. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday.